Hello guys, how you doing? Beautiful day down here in Hialeah, Florida. Alright, let's see what we got going on here today. Stihl, I think it's a 420. I don't know, you know I'm a mess. Looks like a 420, walks, smells like a 420. It should be a 420, I guess. But you know I'm a mess. I'm gonna put the little thing that I put if it's a 420 or not. You can see it here, guys. You got all the flywheel, everything inside there. The front. Remember, I'm doing this video for my eBay store. I'm trying to teach you anything. I'm trying to fix anything. This is for my customers and one more picture. It's not enough. And the one sound. I'm also gonna do a video in Spanish at the end. Voy a hacer el video en español al final, mi gente, por favor, esperen. Alright guys, remember I sell for parts. This is a damage machine. This is a broken equipment. Maybe there's nothing wrong with it. I don't care. I sell for parts. Maybe you just want this. Maybe you just want this. I don't care. I sell for parts. This is a broken machine. This is a damaged equipment. Don't forget that. Alright, you have it here. Remember, in case you're new, I take everything apart and I'm going to show you everything. I'm going to give it a shot to see if it starts. Look at you. Look at you, girl. I'm seeing beautiful already. I don't know about you, but my years and years of experience tells me this is a beautiful one. Well, you believe it or not, it's like 25 years I've been using different channels, this and that, but it's been many years. You got a carburetor inside there. Like acceleration is working, at least from this side you can see. Okay. Remember, you gotta do your little clean up, do your thing, you know. Alright, the moment of truth. Let's go. Let's see what we got here. Oh, I think it's missing one of the. Oh, right here, the leg. I saw it. I saw it going to the left. I figured something. Oh, what are you doing, girl? Look at her. Look at me like that. What happened? Oh, that's a little dirty. Let's blow a little bit there. Remember, you gotta do your thing. If you're gonna disassemble it, you know, clean everything. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Let me see inside there. Yeah, I gotta move the phone to the side because if it's not gonna get dirty. Look at that, beautiful, huh? Talking about beauty, huh? Look at that. That's dirty, I guess. We're gonna find out if I'm wrong. Yeah, that's dirty. You see how it went? Yeah, I guess the inside. Who knows how long it's been with nobody giving some love. Alright, enough is enough. We're gonna give it a shot. We got the filter here. It looks still maybe good. You will decide that. Alright, let's see how we are. We're good. We're bueno. Yeah, we're bueno. Bueno, see how much. Okay, I got this new system that I gotta try, and I got so many things in the middle. They get in the middle. Alright, let's hit it. Meal. My handle. Or recoil, whatever you want to call it. We're in Miami. It's on the handle. I want to say hi to everybody. Thank you everybody for pushing in my store. Good customers out there. I appreciate that. Of course, you always find the ones, you know. It's all good. To tie them off that much. You should. Oh, look, it's started raining already. Alright. Alright, you see there? Oh, we're gonna give it a shot. Let me check the gas. Yeah, it's going good. It smells good. And it looks good, like red. Tells me a lot about the people that we're using. Every time I see it with the red, I know it's better. I mean, they're wasting the money on the machine. Maybe you can say, oh, raw with the blue one, blah, blah, but the ones that know about machines know what I'm talking about. Alright, we're gonna give it a shot. It's missing the top. I don't know if this is gonna be any problem. I'm just gonna put a spark plug there. We're gonna go cheeky and we're gonna see where we are. This is one of mine. I don't know if it's good or not. We're gonna find out. Okay. Got it. We get my glasses just in case. All right, we're gonna go here. This looks like this is choke, half choke. We're gonna hit this thing right here. You can see here like a bite. Something went wrong there. All right, this is good already. When you see already the gas coming so quick, tells me calculator almost everything is good. Doesn't mean it's gonna be 100%, but I mean at least, you know. You see, at least it's doing its thing. But you can see that you gotta clean them up. Or who knows, maybe I'm wrong. Alright. Remember, I use a trick here. You can go half choke if you want, or you go normal. All you gotta do is accelerate here, like that. Both of the bulbs will open. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna go straight to the heart, a few drops. Not too much, guys. You like to put too much. You gotta go easy. Suave. Alright, we're gonna see if we're gonna start it like that. Alright, let's give it a shot. We're gonna move here to the side. Let's hit it. 1, 2, 3. Baby, you really want to find an owner, huh, don't you? Calm down. Ho 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 ho. Ho 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 ho, baby. Ho ho ho. Wow. I love my job. I love my job, my God. I bring from the dead. You know, we're gonna sacrifice. Who knows what we're gonna do with her? Look at that, fighting there, saying what's going on, what's up. Like, this is beautiful. Only people that do these things understand it. This is beautiful. I know I can fix them. I know I can get more. That's not my idea because I have so many to sell. Oh, I did the new. Let me show you guys. It's a mess. Remember, I do a little bit of everything. I studied mechanic aviation a little bit. Going solar again. I got these new ones. I'm not gonna, if I told you that I got 7 of them for $120, you're not gonna believe me. Why I'm gonna tell you that? It's Robert, come on, stop it, Robert. All right, check them out. Did this new, and I start bringing everything from the container here, like that I can have it on hand because I'm having a problem. Look at that, how beautiful. I'm gonna start putting everything here, like that. The shop can look better. You know, I want to do some things. I already finished here with a thing I'm gonna do outside the deck. I got a lot of plans. I'm really happy. Thank you for you guys. I know. Even an elevator thing. This is for Central America. I know you're gonna laugh. Alright, guys, you see it here so far. Remember, this is mine. So far, flywheel works, coil works. My God, it looks good. But remember, I sell for parts. This is a diamond machine. This is broken. Maybe, you know, I sell for parts. Maybe you only need this, or you need this, or you need that. I don't know. You want to hang it? I don't care. I sell it for parts. If you're planning to fix this machine, you're making the worst of the mistakes. All right. Thank you for everything. Hola, mi gente. ¿Qué me dice la raza? Mira, empezó a llover. Que se una la raza. Ustedes se imaginan. Bueno, mi gente, ya vieron otra más. Tengo 2 a la venta, no se les olvide. Tienen esta cuestión que la ladera es mía. Aquí tienen, ya vieron ya, para no eso, ya se, las palabras solas dicen, de un galón. Ustedes vieron eso. Increíble, qué alegría me da mi oficio. Algo que lo más probable la iban a sacrificar, traerla para atrás con esa energía. El que sepa se dio cuenta que esa máquina tiene ganas de vivir. Pero recuérdense que yo vendo para partes. Para mí esta máquina está rota y está hecha a pedazos. Usted lo que quiere es esta parte, esta parte, esta parte, esta parte. Recuerden que la ladera es mía. Y usted lo que la quiere es para parte. Y eso es lo que yo me dedico a vender para parte. Si usted quiere arreglar esta máquina, está cometiendo un error muy grande. ¿Por qué? Porque está rota. Está desarmada. ¿Ok? Yo vendo para parte. Muy importante y nunca se los olvide. Gracias mi gente. Ya saben que se una a la raza.